We've been told since primary school that Mount Everest is the king of the world. But Everest is just a pile of rock sitting on a pedestal. If you're looking for the true giants, the monsters that can reshape continents and darken the skies for a decade, you have to look deeper. Today, we are hunting for the biggest volcano on Earth. But here's the catch. Depending on how you measure it, the winner changes. Is it the tallest from the bottom of the sea, the widest under the waves, or the one hiding right under the American heartland? Let's find out. First, we head to the middle of the Pacific, Hawaii. Meet Mauna Loa. It's a shield volcano, named because it looks like a warrior's shield lying on the ground. Key fact, Everest peaks at 8,848 meters. Mauna Loa only reaches 4,169 meters above sea level. Case closed, right? Wrong. Mauna Loa's base sits on the ocean floor, 5,000 meters down. From top to bottom, it's over 9,000 meters tall. It's literally taller than Everest. It contains roughly 75,000 cubic kilometers of rock. It's so heavy it actually deforms the Earth's crust beneath it. If you stood on its peak, you aren't just on a mountain. You're on the largest active volcano on the planet's surface. But what if I told you there's a volcano that makes Hawaii look like a grain of sand? In 2013, scientists discovered Tiemu Massif. It's about the size of the British Isles or New Mexico. For millions of years, it hid 2 kilometers under the Pacific surface. Scientists originally thought it was a mountain range, but it turned out to be one single massive volcanic dome. Current debate. New data in 2026 suggests it might be a massive crustal plate formation rather than a single cone, but in terms of pure volcanic material in one spot, is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Mike Tyson, the legendary undisputed world champion. If you define biggest by altitude, reaching for the stars, we have to go to the Andes, the border of Chile and Argentina. Nevado Ojos del Salado. Standing at 6,893 meters, over 22,600 feet, it is the highest active volcano on Earth. Because the air is so dry there, you won't see much lava. Instead, you get sulfuric pits and permanent glaciers. It's a frozen giant waiting to wake up. Finally, we have to talk about the supervolcanoes. Because big doesn't just mean height or width, it means impact. Welcome to Yellowstone. Yellowstone isn't a mountain. It's a caldera, a giant hole in the ground left over from a massive explosion. Its magma chamber is 60 miles long. If this thing blows, it won't just destroy a park. It will cover half of North America in ash and plunge the Earth into a volcanic winter for years. While Mauna Loa is big in size, Yellowstone is big in energy. One is a slow-moving giant. The other is a loaded planetary gun. So, which one is the biggest? If you want height from a seafloor, it's Mauna Loa. For sheer area, it's Tiemu Massif. For altitude, it's Ojos del Salado. But for pure destructive power, it's the supervolcanoes. The Earth is alive, and we're just living on its crust. Which of these giants scares you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our planet's mysteries. I'm Facta Unic Dunya, and thanks for watching.